zone where you can't stop it. Hitting in your body, I feel strength with the wind. So move out the way. I am a rider, provider.
Hello guys, today I will teach you how to place a bid on total score and football match. This is the secrets that I'm sharing you that will help you to win the bid. And also I will teach you how to place a multi-bid. So watch till the end. Right, so as you can see here, there are different sports category. So you go to football section, click on football. And as you can see here, there's a live going on around the world. And if you click on sports, you will see different leagues around the globe. Alright, so if you click on live, you will able to see live matches, and you can able to place a bid, and also you can watch the live. I will go for Malaysia Super League. Alright, so click on Malaysia Super League. If you want to watch live, then you click on stream. Alright, so scroll down a little bit. As you can see here, Doddle, you click on Doddle. Alright, you click on Doddle. As you can see here, over 1.5, under 1.5, over 2, under 2, right? This means it's a combined total goal scored in the match. If you think that in this match both the team combined together able to score more than 2 goals, alright, 2 or more goals, then you click on over, alright, and then place a bid. Alright, so I think in this match they will able to score more than 4 goals. Alright, so I will click on over 4. Alright, so place a bid. Alright, so type the amount. So for example, if you bid with 5,000 rupees, then if the prediction is right, if they able to score 4 or more goals, then the winning amount will be 20,500. Alright, then click on bid. Alright, and wait for the result. So if you think that in this match, alright, both the team combined together won't be able to score more than 3 goals, then as you can see here, under 2.5 means that is 3 goals. Alright, so you click on under 2.5 and then place a bid. Alright, so for example, if you place a bid with 4,000 rupees, alright, then, and if your prediction is right, your winning amount will be 9,800 rupees. Alright, so click on bid. That is how to place a bid on total score and football match. Alright, so let me show you how to place a multi-bid. Multi-bid means multiple bid in one go. Alright, multiple bid in one click. Alright, so watch till the end. Alright, so let me show you. So as you can see here, alright, I think in this match, from my perspective, alright, from my observation, I think in this match both the team combined together able to score more than 5 goals. Alright, so as you can see here, over 4.5. Alright, so that means that is 5 goals. Alright, so click on over 4.5. Alright, click on that. Alright, so as you can see on the top, you click on add to bet slip. Alright, then alright, so let me choose other matches. Alright, so let me choose it to be a Premier League. Alright, so it's already half time right now. Both the team have scored 3 goals. Alright, so scroll down a little bit and click on total. Alright, so I think in this match both the team combined together able to score more than 4 goals. Alright, so I will click on over 4. Alright, and then add to bet slip. Click on add to bet slip, and then let me choose one more. Alright, so I will choose one cricket match. Alright, scroll down a little bit. Alright, tonight there is IPL match between Sunrise Hyderabad versus Rajasthan Royals. So from my perspective, from my analyzation, I think Rajasthan Royal will win the match. So you click on W2, alright, which you click on W2, which you can see on the right side. Alright, click on W2 and then click add to bet slip. Alright, so I have already added 3 matches. As you can see in the bottom, you click on bet slip. Alright, so I have already choose 3 matches. Alright, so type the amount. For example, if you bid with 5,000, alright, then your winning amount will be 37,690.71 rupees. Alright, If you are very sure to win the matches, you can also add more than this. You can able to add more than 10, 15, 20, 25 matches and bet slip, and then you can able to place a bid. Alright, so now you have learned how to place a multi-bid. So if you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, I hope you have learned how to make a bid in 1xBet. To download the app and get registered in 1xBet, you can check the description. I've given the link. Or you can open up the browser and type www.1xbet.com. It will automatically direct to the page, and there you can able to download the app. First install the app and open the app, and then click registration and fill all the necessary, and this is very important. Don't forget to put the promo code. If you apply the promo code, you will get up to 120% bonus on your first deposit, so don't miss it. So you can check the promo code in the description, and also you can see on the screen. Today I will show you how to deposit in 1xBet. First, open up the 1xBet app, and then you will see this type of interface as you can see on the top left corner. So you click that plus icon. So there are multiple options here for depositing, so you can apply from anyone. Alright, you can apply from Google Pay, Phone Pay, BTM. If you're using cryptocurrency and you have a wallet, you can deposit through cryptocurrency because the transaction is very fast. Alright, let me show you how to withdraw. Alright, as you can see in the right bottom, click the menu. As you can see on the top right corner, click the setting sign and then click withdrawal, and then there are multiple options. Alright, you can withdraw from anyone. So if you have deposited through UPI or any other banking system, you should apply the same for withdrawal. Alright, and if you have deposited through crypto wallet, you should apply from same. Alright guys, that's for today. If you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching.